It is literally 2:20 in the morning and I am writing down all the things that are going wrong in my life and all the things which I feel are keeping me stuck. Now the main question is, why am I even doing this in the middle of the night, and why should I bother writing all the things that are going wrong in my life and are keeping me stuck? Why should I specifically write it down and do it? So I recently saw this Joe Rogan's podcast clip where the guest was Quentin Tarantino.
I decided to change my life.
And if you don't know who's Quentin Tarantino, watch this. So, who is Tarantino and what is this Tarantino method? Quentin Tarantino is one of the most influential filmmakers in the last 30 years. He has won 2 Oscars. 2 Oscars. I mean, जो चीज एक्टर्स एंड फिल्म मेकर्स एक बार नहीं कर सकते अपने पूरे लाइफ टाइम में, he has done it twice, and he has won this twice in the category of best original screenplay, and winning in this category is one of the most hardest achievements in the whole filmmaking industry. And how did he even do this? I mean, sure, he had that obsession with his craft and he was putting himself out there and he was working hard, but one thing that stood out is that he had brutal clarity on what he wanted and who he wanted to become. So this video isn't really about Quentin Tarantino and who he was, but this video is about the method that he developed, which is the Tarantino method, which helped him gain the brutal clarity in what he wanted and who he wanted to become in life. Okay, so step number 1 in Tarantino method is that you have to take one night for yourself. You have to sit down at night, take a pen and a paper and write down all the problems that you have in your life. Write down every single thing that is keeping you stuck in this moment from achieving the things that you want to achieve, from becoming the person that you want to become. Write down every single thing so that you can eventually figure out what you want to do about that problem. Know that this will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of you to think about, okay, क्या गलत हो रहा है मेरे life में. The whole point here is to list down every life problem that you have, every work related problem, personal life problem. Write it down. If I talk about some of my problems which I listed down are like skipping the gym, it's like lack of time management, it's feeling mentally scattered, it is inconsistent upload with YouTube. So these are all the problems that I am facing, and there are more problems as well. So initially when you try to do this, you'll feel like, okay, what am I even doing? आपको बस आप एक दो प्रॉब्लम से लिस्ट कर पाओगे and you'll feel like, okay, this is not worth doing. Mostly क्या होता है कि we are not able to think clearly. अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि आपके 5 strengths और 5 weaknesses क्या है, most of them will not be able to answer that right away, and इसीलिए शायद this becomes difficult because we often don't do this. But trust me guys, just sit there, bear with the boredom and list down every problem that you have. Step number 2. Now that you have everything listed down, every problem that you have in your life, everything which you feel like is keeping you stuck, now you have to spend time in finding that one actionable step. You have to make that particular actionable step very specific. इतना specific बनाना है कि it becomes very easy to follow it on a daily basis. So for example, for me, if I talk about my problem, I was being inconsistent with YouTube. Why was I being inconsistent with YouTube? Because I was not able to manage my time properly. Why was I not able to manage my time properly? Because I was not planning the day before. And there you go, you got one solution, that I was not planning my day before. So the actionable step for this would be to sit down every night and write down what are the 2-3 things that I'm going to do every single day. That is how you manage your time properly, right? Step number 3. But before that, I really want to talk about why am I even doing this in the first place, and why does it matter to you if you are in the age of something between 18 to 25. देखो, जिस एज में हम है ना, वी फील लाइक क्या मैं जो डायरेक्शन में जा रहा हूँ वो डायरेक्शन प्रॉपर है भी या नहीं. वी फील लाइक क्या मैं लेट हो गया हूँ, क्या मैं पीछे रह गया हूँ. वी ऑफन ऑल्सो फील लाइक कि क्या मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो मैं सही कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं, क्या मैं जो करियर चूज कर रहा हूँ वो सही है कि नहीं, एंड हाउ कैन आई बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्राउड. वी ऑफन फील लाइक दिस, एंड वी ऑल्सो एंड अप कंपेयरिंग आवरसेल्व्स टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एज वेल. बेसिकली वी फील लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, एंड हैपेंस बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव द क्लैरिटी इन लाइफ दैट वी नीड इन लाइफ. एंड ऑनेस्टली इवन आई फील ऑल ऑफ दिस, पीछे फील करना, unsure feel करना, unclear feel करना, and that is exactly why I'm doing this Tarantino method. So yeah, coming back to step 3. Step 3 is basically execute relentlessly. Now that you have all the problems that you have in your life listed down with the actions that you want to take to kind of eliminate those problems, you just have to regularly execute it. You have to take action and stick to what you have decided that you're going to do. I know ये बहुत cliche sound करता है, but there is no other alternative. If you have the problems listed down, if you have the action listed down, the next step will be to execute it. You have to do it every single day, relentlessly, and that is what will separate you from the rest of the people. अगर तुम्हें genuinely अपनी life change करनी है, genuinely want to become someone who does great in life, you have to take action. That is the secret, that is the mantra. Alright, that is it for the video guys. अगर आपको ये video genuinely valuable लगी, then do let me know in the comments. And if you are someone who's really ambitious, who really wants to become the best version of themselves, then this channel is exactly for you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay blessed and keep growing.